Python program. The program is to find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Using class and object. Creating a class and object. Creating a rectangle class using object. Now area of a rectangle. What is the question? First of all, area of a rectangle equal to formula. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. This is a formula. Length into breadth. Now here to find the area of a rectangle using class and object. Here the inputs are length and breadth of the rectangle. L and B. Length means length. Length is the L value and the breadth value is the B value. Now we find the area of a rectangle using creating a class and object. Now here the first one is creating a class. The class is class rectangle. The class name is rectangle. Here the class is a keyword. Rectangle is a user defined word. The name of the class is rectangle for our convenience only. Rectangle. You can use sample or test or some name, any name, Hyderabad or USA or India, any name as you like, any name. Now here these are the inputs are, one is a length, another one is a breadth. For example, first to read the value in a program divided into three functions. One inbuilt function is read. User defined function is a read function, and one function is df find function, and one function is df display value. Display the value. And these are the three functions, three methods in the function. The first one, the definition of the read function is to read the length value. Length equal to so input of enter length of the enter length of a rectangle. Enter the length of a rectangle. Okay, clear. Length of the rectangle. Another one is a breadth. Breadth equal to input of any variable name. Here the variable name is breadth. Enter breadth of a rectangle. Breadth of a rectangle. Okay, clear. And next these are this is completing program. Now after find the area equal to length into breadth. Okay guys, here. And after completing display length value equal to length. Okay. Breadth value equal to the breadth value equal to breadth. Okay. And after completing result also print area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle equal to area is a variable. Here are the three variables. One variable is length, and one variable is the breadth. Another variable is the value. These are the three functions: read function, find function, and display function. And we are creating without using any object, directly access the length value, breadth value, and area value. But here we are creating a one object. The object R1 equal to rectangle. Rectangle is a class. Here the rectangle is a class. This class is creating a one object. Rectangle is a class name. R1 is the object name. Now we can call R1 dot read. Read is a function. This function is calling with object name. That's why we are using the self. Here we are calling self dot length. That means the R1 dot length and R1 dot breadth. And here another function. Function is R1 dot find. R1 is the object. Find is a method. Here self dot area equal to self dot length, self dot breadth. Here and here you are calling again one more R1 dot display. The display is a function. Display function. Similarly, we are using the parameter passing one self parameter. We are passing the self parameter. Now here we are calling self dot length, self dot breadth plus and self dot rectangle. So in this program, we are creating a three methods: read method, find method, and display method. Now, for example, one method. Now this is a rectangle class. In this method, one is a length variable, value, breadth variable, value, area variable, some value, allocate the memory. And one is a read method. Okay, one is a find method, and another one is a display method. Display method. All these three methods. Now we are creating the first one is the main program R1. R1 is the object of the rectangle class. Realize. Object of the rectangle. R1 is the object of the rectangle. Second one, R1 dot read. Immediately the control is calling move to the this read function. This read function read the length value. For example, enter the length value. The length value equal to, for example, 5. The 5 is assigned to length. And in the second statement, read the breadth value. Again, the breadth value equal to, for example, 8. And again, the next complete read function. Find function is calling. Here, this function is executed. Self dot length value 8, 5, breadth value 8, 5 into 8, 40. The 40 is assigned to radius. Clear. Again, after executing of the find, the control goes to display function, and the display function executes the body of the display. Length value equal to 5, breadth value equal to 8, and the area value equal to 5 into 8, 40. This is assigning the values. Okay, guys, clear up here? So now run the program. Now run this program immediately. First, area of a rectangle using, okay, creating a class and object. This is a class. This is a class. In this class, length and breadth are the object level variables. Read, find, display are the object level methods. Call the creating a object, call the read method, call the find method, and call the display function. Now run this module. Here we are running this module. Okay, enter the length of a rectangle. Now enter the length of the rectangle is 8. Enter the breadth of the rectangle equal to 5. Now execute the program. Here length of the 8 and 5, 8, 5, and the result equal to 40. For example, you want to run the same program again. The length value equal to 200, breadth value equal to 70, the area of the rectangle equal to 14,000. Okay, clear, guys? Now, for example, this is a class. This is a class. In this class, we are creating only one object. If you want to create the more than one object, is also possible. Here we are creating the more than one object also possible. R2 is another object equal to rectangle. Here to call the R2 dot read value. Again, R2 dot find value. Second one, R2 dot display. Second object is created. Similarly, third object also possible. R3 equal to rectangle, R3 object, R3 dot read, call the method, R3 dot find function, and R3 dot display function. Clear, guys? Now run the module. Okay, here first object read function. First object read function is 10, and length value 10, breadth value 20, area of rectangle equal to 200. Second object is, for example, 100, 200, area of rectangle equal to 20,000. Third object is, for example, okay, 1,000 and 2,000, area of rectangle equal to, for example, value. Here, guys, 1,000 into 2,000, the value of this one is, okay, rectangle is the area of rectangle. We are creating more than one object also is possible. Not only one object, we are creating the more than one object. This is similar to the inbuilt methods. For example, if you want to creating a list class, list. Now, this is a class, we are creating a one object x equal to list, empty list, and y equal to also list object, and z equal to also list. We are creating more than one object. X is a object of the list, y is a object of the list class, z is a object of the list class. For example, we are assume that the values. Okay, for example, we are print of x, creating more than an example also. Print of y and a print of z. Now run this module. Now all the values are, okay, creating x, y, z. For example, I want to creating the range of 1, 6. Creating a list is 1, 6. So, for example, the range of, okay, 10, 16. Okay, for example, every time increasing by 10, for example. Okay, now this one, number of objects. We are creating, for example, range of 10 comma 100 comma 600. Okay, every time is increasing by 100. Now run this value, creating an object with parameters. It is called as a constructor. You will be explained in the next class, next video. No problem. Creating an object, creating an object, creating an object. Now run this one. Okay. A print of x value, range of x value, and here print function. X is a list. X is a list. This list print the value of the x. Invalid syntax. Here one more parameter, one more package missing. Now run this value, creating a x list, y list, and a z list. Three lists are printed and one by one. This is a z list, and this is completely list y, and this is completely list x. Similarly, we are creating more than one object of our user-defined class. User-defined class is a rectangle, three inbuilt functions, and these are the objects. R1, R2, or the other three different objects. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.